Welcome to this new video. We are going to see how to use the physics action together. So the idea behind the physics action is that it lets us modify a couple of physics properties of an interactive object, such as the gravity or the collision or its mass, its weight, kind of. So for this example, what we are going to do is that we are going to make an apple fall from a tree when we touch the tree, kind of. So to make this work, of course, the apple will start with zero gravity, with no gravity, so it will kind of float in the air, and then we will activate its gravity with the action. So first, let's go in the hierarchy, and let's look for an apple called Apple Newton interactive object. So over there, and we are going to open the little arrow. I'm going to click interaction and open the little arrow again. And then I'm going to select this physics action interaction. So now let's look in the inspector at the right, and we scroll a bit, and we can see that there's already a condition, which is the touch condition, meaning when we touch the dragon tree, so the tree that is behind the apple, kind of, the condition will be valid. So we just need now to add the action to make this full interaction work. So I'm going to click add action, and I'm going to select the physics one. I'm going to scroll a bit more, and we can see that the target object is already our Apple Newton, so that's good. Now I'm going to check affected by gravity, and I'm going to let the mass to 1 kilo for now, because probably we don't need to change the weight of the apple to make this work. So now it should be working already. So we are going to head into VR and see if our interaction is correctly working. Okay, so now we are back in VR. So over there we can see this dragon tree, and you can see an apple at the top of the dragon tree. So we are going to move there to touch the tree and to see if the apple falls from the tree. Okay, so let's look at the apple, and here we go. You see, when I got close enough to the tree so that I could kind of touch it with my full body, let's say, it triggered the action, which is that the apple started to have gravity, and so it just fell because it was attached in the air, kind of. So congratulations, you just made the physics action work. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.